Kimberly Crawford, and welcome on the inside. So basically, yeah, once you get started, you're going to be given your own website that looks like this. This is called Press One Cash. Basically, if you can share a phone number, this company is going to pay you $200 per sale. So every sale that you make, they're going to pay $200 out to you via PayPal or Cash App, or however you want to receive payment. So basically, the system allows you to promote any business. It's great for business owners and anyone who wants to promote a website. Once you get started, they give you your own number. You get 100 free credits. You get your own website. You get your back office with tracking. There's a built-in one-up compensation plan. You get resale rights for life. And this system is perfect for, again, anyone who wants to market a website. Press One Cash, again, is designed for anyone who wants to basically share a phone number and start generating $200 sales. You can make sales 24 hours a day. You're paid instantly and daily directly to your account. It doesn't matter, like I said, how you want to get paid, whether you want to use Cash App, Stripe. You can get paid any way you want. Once people press, what they do is they call your phone number. Once they press one, they're going to hear a pre-recorded message, and that message is going to say press one. When they press one, your website is going to be instantly text message to their cell phone. Right, they're going to get an instant text message to their cell phone once they press one. Let me do a quick demo really quickly here, and I'll show you how it works. So when you get your phone number,
please press the one key at any time to have more information texted to you.
They're going to press one.
Thanks for your call. Listen, great. More information will now be texted to your phone.
Okay, there you go. And instantly, your website is text message to their phone. So all you're doing is sharing a phone number, right? The more people you share the phone number with, the more money you're going to make. I'm going to show you how to get started. I'm going to plug you into my training to help you start making sales right away. I'm going to plug you into my Facebook group and my training chat, right? We're also going to have webinars to help you get on a fast start. But really, if you can share a phone number, you can start earning money with the system. This is my personal Stripe account. I'm going to let you in right quickly here. Let's see if it may have logged me out. But as you can see, these are $200 payments that have came in from the system, right? This is my name, Kimberly Crawford, $200 payments that have came in by using the Press One Cash system, simply by sharing a phone number. So again, once you get started, you're going to get your own website to market. You're going to get your own phone number. You can market any website that you want. You can simply market the Press One Cash system. Again, all you have to do is share your phone number. When people press one, right, they're going to start getting text messages to their phone with your website, and you can start making money. Again, I'm going to plug you into my training. I'm going to plug you into my private Facebook group and help you get started right away. Set up a strategy call to help you get started right away. Let me know how much money you want to make per week, and we can definitely set up a strategy so you can get started right away. Again, this is my Stripe account. As you can see, my name is Kimberly Crawford. $200 payments that have came in just because I've been marketing this system, guys. It's an easy way to make some great income. It's a great product. So if people are looking to, if people, know people who are in a business or have a website that's looking to go ahead and promote any website, then this is going to be a great system. If you know anyone who just want to make some extra income, maybe an extra $1,000 a week, $1,000 a month, however they want to work the business, then definitely you can refer people. Just give them your phone number and let the system do the rest of the work, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Click below and join my free Facebook group so I can get you started. I can also get you on the line to get a free strategy call to show you how to start marketing right away. We have pre-written ads. We have everything ready for you to go inside the system, guys. So I will see you in the next video. I will see you inside the Facebook group. Let's talk. Let me know how much money you want to make per week or per month, and let's make it happen, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.